This is Hearts and Blooms Creativity Kit from Altenew. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. Make beautiful blooms and pretty hearts be the focus of your handmade projects. The stamps, dies, stencils, embossing paste and embellishments in this kit all work together in harmony to create many different projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages or even home decor. In the kit you will receive basic blooms, stamp, die and mass stencil bundle, all the hearts die set, foliage stencil, sweet hearts wood veneers and embossing paste. An exclusive inspiration guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information on Hearts and Blooms Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.